morning, students. Welcome back to my class again. Yesterday I have finished cubes and cube root, and today I am going to start a new chapter, that is playing with numbers. Okay. Till class 8, beginning of the 8, that is class 6, 7 and beginning of the 8, you have come to know about different types of number like whole number, natural numbers, fractional number, integers and rational number in class 7 and 8. Okay, some relations also you have come to know here. But what type of relations with one number to another number, that you have not done. Here we will come to know what is the relation of number with another. Okay? So beginning this introductions, so you have to know about the numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, fractional numbers, then last rational numbers. Rational numbers. Okay. These are the numbers already have to come to know, and now the relationships of the number we will learn. So before that we have to know number and digit. Number and digit. What is number and what is digit? Number and digit. Any figure is made by one natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 0. 0 alone cannot be a number. Okay. So along with 0, if some other natural number is there, then it will form a number. So these are the numbers means what? Any figure is made by this natural digits like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and along with 0 there will be a number. And digit, number may be one digit or many digits. Say 8 is one of the digit and also number. 10 is a number, but how many digits? 2 digits. 12 is a number, how many digits? 2 digits. And how many digits? 1 digit. So number may be made by one digit or many. Okay, and digit, each part of the number is called digit. So here 2 parts, unit digit, 10 digit. This is the number. Each part is the digit. Each part of the number is called digit. Okay, so if I ask you find the number of digits from 1 to 15 natural numbers. 15 natural numbers. How will you do? So 1 to 9, how many digits? 1 to 9, 9 digits. Total 9 digits, 1 to 9 is 1 digit number and digit. How many digits are there? 9 digits. And 10 to 50, 10 having 2 digits, 11 having 2 digits, 12 having 2 digits, then 13 having 2 digits, 14 having 2 digits, 15 having 2 digits. Total 6 numbers are 2 digit numbers. 6 to the 12 digits. 12 digits. Understood? What is the total digit? Total digit is equal to 12 plus 9, 21 digits. So total number of digits of number 1 to 15 is 29 digits are there. Very important for you. Digits and number. Number is, each part of a number is the digit. Number may be one digit, consist one digit. Number may consist one digit or many digits. Like you see, 7,684, 48. So this is digits, 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 digit. Altogether, it will be 4 digits. Number is 7,648 number, and it has 4 digits. Okay, each part of the number is called digits. Remember. Now, before starting that part, today I am like to give you the divisibility rules that will help you to find solve exercise 1 and 2. Okay, so divisibility rules you have to study. Already you have come to know come in class 6. It is given in details. In 7 also some part is given. I'm giving you in details in class 8. Okay. Now divisibility rule you have to learn. Divisibility rules. Basically you have to know 2 to 11. 2 to 11 divisibility rule you have to study. Clear? Very important. Now, number 1, divisibility by 2. Divisibility by 2. Please, you will write down it, because if you don't write, then it will not be stored anywhere. You will not go through. You write down the rules. How can quickly access a big number whether it is divisible by 2 or not? Big number. Without division you have to say yes, it is divisible by 2 or no, it is not divisible by 2. Only thing is what? Big number, we will forget about the big number, only we will consider its unit place. If its unit place is either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then it will be divisible by 2. If it is other than this, it will be not divisible by 2. So a number divisible by 2 if its unit place is either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Example: 9706336 divisible. By 2. You see, a big number only will consider the unit place. If the unit place is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, it is divisible by 2, otherwise not. Now divisible by 3. Divisibility by 3. Divisibility by 3. Very simple. You have to quickly access a number whether it is divisible by 3 or not. What will you do? You have to find out the sum of the digits. Digital sum. Sum of the digit. If the sum of the digits is multiple of 3, then yes, it is divisible by 3. If it is not multiple of 3, then we can say no, it is not divisible by 3. Okay? Say number divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible is multiple of 3 is multiple of 3. Example, say 7 6 2 3 1 13 15 18 19 21. What is the sum? What is the sum here? 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 2 15, 15 plus 3 18, 18 plus 1 19, 19 plus 2 21. 21 comes in the table of 3. That's why it is divisible by 3. 21 is divisible by 3 means big number is divisible by 3. Okay. Similarly, divisibility by 4. By 4. A number is divisible by 4. In that case, only you have to consider 10 place and unit place. If 10 place and unit place divisible by 4, then whole number is divisible. I will not see the number behind 10 digit. Okay. A number divisible by 4 if the number formed by 10 digit and unit digit is divisible by 4. Okay. Say example 7 9 3 4 12. So only we will consider this place divisible. Understood? 10 place and unit place forming what? 12. 12 is divisible by 4. That means whole number is divisible by 4. Okay. Now question divisibility by 5. Very simple. Number ending with 5 or 0. Any number ending with 5 or 0 definitely divisible by 5. Any number ending with 0 or 5 then it is divisible by 5. Example 9 divisible by 5. Example 7 3 4 9 9 0. 2 4 6 3 1 5. These are divisible by 5. Are you clear? 5 divisible by 5. Now divisibility by 6. This is very important, divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it follows the rule of 2 and 3. That means a number is divisible by 5, we have to check the 3's rule and 2's rule. A number is divisible by 6 if it divisible both by 2 and 3. Okay, if it is divisible both by 2 and 3. Clear? Divisible by 3. Example: 7, 9, 0, 2, 16, 18. Say this one. 1, then 7, 9, 15, 16, 17. 17, 1, 18, 2, then 3, 21, 24, 2, 1, 2. This one 7 plus 9, 16, 17, 18, 21, 22, 24. So if sum is 24 and number unit place is 2. Therefore it is divisible. It is divisible by 6. So it is following the rule of what? Rule of 6 and rule of 3. That's why it is divisible by 6 also. Now most of the students, they say, sir, we don't have the divisibility of 7. But I say, yes, we have the divisibility of 7. You know it does not have, but I'm showing you. This rule you will apply in case of other number. Okay? You can take smaller to bigger example also. So 6, divisibility of 7. Divisibility by rule by 7. So one example I am taking, whether a number is divisible by 7 or not. Say a number is divisible, write down nicely, divisible by 7. A number is divisible by 7 if a number is divisible by 7 if what? If the last digit, double of the last digit is subtracted from leading truncated number. Say if the double of last digit, the last digit is subtracted from leading truncated leading or remaining part of the number. You can say leading or from remaining part of the number, either zero number is either zero or multiple of 7. I'm just giving you a simple example. Say example, you can practice at home. Any number, you first find out the divisible of 7 by any number. Say I'm doing it just one back calculation so that I can frame one example. Then you can find out this. Say 243. Three four three. Okay. 343. Whether this number is divisible by 7 or not. Now what we will do? First, I said what we have to detach the last digit. That means 34 and double it. What is the double? 366. What is the number? 28. Can you guess 28 divisible by 8 or not? Here, when you are getting two-digit number easily you can access well. So 20 is divisible by 4. That's why 343 is divisible by 4. Two-digit number. You can take big answer also. Say I am taking one answer. Okay. Say example. Another example I am giving you. What? 679. 679. Okay. Whether it is divisible by 7 or not. It may be a very big number. Procedure is same. Last part we have to detach. This part. Detach. So what is the number? 67. Make it double. What is the last number? 9. 9 double is 18. Then subtract. If I subtract, it will be this. And what is the answer? 9. Then carry 1, 2, 2. And what is the number? 49. 49 is divisible by 7. That's why whole number is divisible by 7. Understand? Always the last digit. My technique is detach the last digit. Okay? Make it double and subtract it from the remaining part of the number. If that number is divisible by, if I subtract 28, divisible by 7, that means whole number is divisible by 7. So you will never get this rule from anywhere. Okay? You must write down and try to follow it. Clear? Now coming to next. 7 divisibility by 8. Like 4, 8 also. three part of number, 3 digit. You need 10 and 100. Number from 5, you need 10 and 100. If that part is divisible by 8, then whole number is divisible by 8. So a number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its 100, 10s and 100, 110 and 1 place is divisible by what? 8. Say example 7, 8, 4, 4, 5, so up to this much. You consider 5, 6, 8 is divisible by 8. That's why it is divisible. It is divisible by 8. It is divisible by 8. Clear? Now divisible by 9. Same question number. Rule of 3 and 9 will be same. Divisibility rule of 3 and 9 will be same. In case of 3, what I say, if the sum of the digit is divisible by 3, then it is divisible by 9. Same way, if the sum of the digit is divisible by 9, then it is divisible by 9. If the sum of digits is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. So, example 7, 3, 2, 1, 0, and then 12, 13, and this. What is the sum? 18. 10, 12, 13 plus 5, 18. 18 is divisible by 9. That's why this number is divisible by 9. 18 it is divisible by 9. Is divisible by 9, then whole number is divisible by 9. Clear? Next is 10, very simple. Divisibility rule by 10. If the number ending with 0 only 0, nothing more than 0. If the number ending with 0, the number is divisible by 10. Okay? If the number ends with 0, then it is divisible by 10. Okay, any example from your mind. Okay, 2 0 1 1 1 9 9 9 0. So divisible by 10. So in this situation, any number of digits before 0, and after that it ends with 0. So number is divisible by 9. Okay. Now, last one is very important. That is divisibility rule of divisibility by 11. So divisibility by 11 very important. So I am giving today one rule. Next day I will give you one more rule. So today is odd even rule. Okay, odd even places rule. Now what you will do? A number is divisible by 11. What can I do? If what? If the difference of the sum of the digit in odd places and even places, the difference is either 0 or multiple of 11. Either 0 or multiple of 11. Then the number is divisible by 11. What I said, I am repeating. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sum of digits in odd places and even places is either 0 or multiple of 11. Okay, so first of all I have to explain. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of digits in odd places and even places, underline this, is either 0 or multiple of 11. Example I am giving here. Say 734010829. This is a big number. I have to assess whether it is divisible by 11 or not. So what we will do? We have to find out the sum of what? Odd places and even places. This is odd places. First place is whatever the digit is there. Forget about the odd even number. Place. First place is odd. Second place is even. Odd place, even place. Odd place, even place. Odd place, even place. Odd place, even place. What is the sum of odd places? What are the tick mark you have put? 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 4. How much I am getting? So 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 9, 9 plus 4, 13. What is the sum of the different your even places and odd places? odd and even. 7 plus 4 plus 0 plus 2. What I'm getting? 4 plus 11 plus same 13. Difference is 13 minus 13 is equal to 0. Okay, therefore yes, this number, yes, 7341052 is divisible by 11. Okay. So similarly, we can find out the divisibility of 12 also. A number is divisible by 12. It is divisible by both by what? 2, 3, 4, 6. Or we can say if it is divisible by 3 and 4, it will be divisible by 12 also. Similarly, 14, 7 and 2. 15, 3 and 5. If it is divisible by 3 and it will be divisible by 15 also. 3 and 5, 15 also. So another rule also there, I will give you next day. Okay. So then from next day I will be solving your textbook question. This is the summary of this chapter. I am giving you as an introductory part. So you have to note down. You will note down all the divisibility rules and you will remember it also, or memorize it. Okay. And you have to apply in exercise exercise 16.1 and 16.2. So playing with numbers means we have to play with the digits and number. Okay. Today up to this much. Next day again we will meet together. Till then, bye bye students.